Good evening, this is the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. The NCB Financial Group has made it clear that it expects to continue seeing strong growth in its profit in the next financial year. This was indicated a day after the entity reported a record $19 billion outturn for the financial year, which ended on September 30. Dashan Hendricks reports.
Barely 40 days have gone in the NCB Financial Group's current financial year, which ends September 30 next year. But after its last performance, one in which $19 billion in profits realized, a record for both NCB and the stock exchange, the company signals it is expecting to sustain its growth.
We have assessed the environment, we have looked at our strategy, and we are confident in our ability to do better next year than we did this year. And that's the path we're on.
That statement was backed up by NCB's Deputy Managing Director, Dennis Cohen, stopping just short of saying the result, though impressive, is not a flash in the pan.
If you look at our results, you will notice that the overarching performance is driven by our core banking and other financial services. The numbers have no material one-off impact. Right? So in other words, this is being driven by core and what we expect to be sustainable financial group performance.
He said that is in the context where the company has been investing significantly in recent times. Money is being spent on making NCB a more nimble, responsive organization to its customers, one geared for the 21st century in acquiring and maintaining its client base. Added to that, Mr. Cohen reminded that additional investments have been made in other areas and the rewards are yet to be realized.
It is clear to us that it is sustainable. And we're also expecting improvements because we are yet to realize the benefits of the significant investments we are making today.
For the Financial Week, I am Dashan Hendricks.
In currency trading today, the US dollar traded for $126.83. The Canadian dollar cost $100.19. The pound sterling is at $166.14, while the euro cost $148.61. Supreme Ventures now has a new chairman, David McConnell, while Mayberry West Indies has withdrawn its request for an extraordinary general meeting EGM. A release on the two developments indicated the Jamaica Stock Exchange was informed yesterday that the EGM, where shareholders were to consider a proposal to remove and replace several directors, was no longer necessary because there are no matters for consideration by shareholders. The developments come days after Paul Hu, the longtime chairman of the company, stepped down from that position along with 4 other shareholders, all of whom were replaced by people Mayberry West Indies had proposed. The JSE index gained more than 93 points, while the Juniors Market Index lost 33 points today. Stocks ended with higher prices for shareholders, including AGM Packaging and Paper, Carreras, JMMB Group, Lasco Manufacturing, Panjam, Sagicor Group, and Seprod. On the losing end were 1834 Investments, Cable and Wireless, Grace Kennedy, Lasco Distributors, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Proven Investments, and Supreme Ventures.